let's talk about the application process. This is a significant change from what it was before 2025. Before 2025, as many of you know, the standard process was a 5-page resume, 10 pages of Executive Core Qualifications or ECQs, plus Technical Qualifications. That is all out the window. Now, the only document that you need to submit when you apply for an SES job is a 2-page SES resume. This is a huge change, right? There are no longer any separate essays to submit. There are no separate ECQs. There are no separate TQs. Your experience with the ECQs and TQs need to be embedded in your resume. So big change. And we'll talk about what that looks like, okay? So what do they actually do? An SES is really operating in most cases at the enterprise level, which means not a team lead, not even necessarily, depending on size and agency, a branch. They are accountable for specific high-level programs and projects. They monitor progress toward goals. They're leading and directing employees. Again, not a handful, unless that handful are subordinate supervisors and really exercising important policy making, policy determining, and other functions. That's what they do or should do. So again, let's go back and talk about process. There are a number of gatekeepers in this process. Gatekeeper number 1 is human resources. They do a basic screen of your application. Do you meet the qualifications? Are your ECQs and tech quals embedded in your resume and can be seen? Did you follow all the rules in the vacancy announcements, etc.? And remember, HR is your first hurdle to get over. The likelihood that they understand your program or the work that you do is not high. And so what does this mean? For you, this means when you write your SES resume, you need to be thinking about the audience. Because if you can't get past HR, the rest of it doesn't really matter.